Hi, hello, welcome to Shiv Vlogs. So today I want to show you one of the busiest tourist spot in London, that is Camden Town. It's in the central London near to Primrose Hill and Regent Street. So today I came with my friends to see this beautiful place. They are doing a lot of shopping also, and we have many food court places like this, and you can see those food courts. And this is one of the beautiful place with riverside, and they have boat rides also, and we have love locks. So to see all those things, just follow my video now and let's go. Hi, hello, welcome to Shiv Vlogs. So today is a holiday for me, so I thought of showing you guys one of the busiest and coolest place in London, that is Camden Town. It's like those high streets where you can see yeah, where you can see many of the shops, like tourists can go different kinds of shops from London. So this is one of the busiest place for tourists. So once the tourists started coming, when the lockdown restrictions are over, it's impossible to take a video like this. So I thought of let's have a walk over here. So in this video I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to show you how it looks, this thing. So we need to come to Camden Town station, and from there we can see. So from now you can see what are the shops available. All these are for tourists. Once lockdown restrictions are over, tourists starts come. These are the places will be more busy. See those hoodies with name London. You see all the fake Gucci bags here. See this. You can see all these tourist spot gifts. The Gucci. So all the brands also keeping like this. And you can see in an Indian store, Namaste over there. See those hoodies, London hoodies. Those are my friends. Nice, 2 cups for 7, 2 cups for 12. This is Big Ben clock, London telephone watch. Nice. I also need to buy something while I'm going home to show to my parents to keep at home. My parents and my sister. Nice. Shot glasses. Nice. All the tourists will buy the gifts from here. The beautiful. Oh, nice. So these are like Indian cheap clothes market. Like that we have all the clothes hanging around here. You can bargain and get for little less price. So this is like Paris love locks. We have this Camden Lock where people are keeping the locks. maybe writing their names, I think, for couples. This is a nice place. They have cruise over here. See, I think this is one of the romantic place. People are waiting to drink. Hey, this is the, I told you, no, Camden food market. This is the thing. Street food. So, oh, see, there are many boats. So you see, this is the London water bus. I think they will pick you from here to other spots in Camden Town. I don't know exactly. I never been to this. Oh, it was nice, no? We will have a slow cruise going around in the water. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, this is one of the coolest places. All these food places, food markets. Yeah, this one. This is proper high street. No vehicles will be allowed. Oh, these are the same bags you bought, right? Shakajulu, this is a restaurant. See, Camden is full of food, different types of things. This is the Camden Lock. I told you, no? This is the Camden Lock. These are like those are like illusions. Jai Ganesh Maharaj ki. Classic camera.
Spring in the air and summer just around the corner, feel free to pop along and join us. It's been a while, but we're back, ready to roll, and we'd love to see you.
This is CDNX.
So guys, this is how our Camden Market tour went on. So if you are in London, just don't miss to watch those places. And you have seen many famous places like places which has ancient things, vintage things. So and different foods. So now I am having my crisps. So until then, I will come with a new spot. So until then, please subscribe to my channel. It's just Shiv Vlogs. See you all soon. Bye bye. Love you.